Okay, so I'm teaching you how to use the foldable. Someone came in a little bit late, so we'll start this one again. If it's totally closed on both sides, okay, if your foldable's closed on both sides, you'll start with moles of given. The moles of given will copy to the bottom like we've always been doing our work. In the mole ratio step, moles of given are on bottom. We use the coefficient as the number too, don't we? Okay, and then the moles of unknown are on top, and we use the coefficient to finish the mole ratio. Okay, and notice here the answer will be moles of unknown. Okay, now if we have it open, notice we're going to start with grams, and grams will cancel down here. Grams of given. We'll do molar volume later. Okay, we'll convert to moles of given. We still have our mole ratio with moles of given copied to the bottom, moles of unknown on top. And if we stop there, we'll have moles of the unknown as our answer. Do you see how it works when it's open like on one side? Okay, now I'm going to close the beginning and I'm going to open the end. Okay? So if I have it positioned like this, which we will do today, we have it's starting with moles because I closed the beginning. It's starting with moles. Moles of given. We copy moles of given here. We got moles of unknown on top. Okay, moles of because that's the mole ratio step. Moles of unknowns on top always on the mole ratio. Okay, well moles of unknown copy down here. And if we needed, we could find grams of the unknown here. And once again, we'll do molar volume later. Okay? But the grams, the molar mass of the unknown, as it says, would come here. And that would give you your answer in grams. So do you see how this shows you how to set up your work? As long as you know what you're starting with and you know the unit of what you want to finish with, this will show you how to set it up. And honestly, you might get so good at it you don't need it anymore. But go ahead and use it for a beginner. And you may use it on the test. I will check it to make sure that nothing's written on it that shouldn't be. But you will be allowed to use it on the test for sure. Okay, and if we totally open it, that's tomorrow's next class, not today. If we open it completely, what are we starting with? Grams of the given, yeah. And again, grams of given cancel when we copy it here because we convert to moles. Because we use molar mass to help us convert to moles. All right, then the moles of the given come down here to start the mole ratio. Moles of unknown goes on top. We cancel moles of unknown down here. And we can convert to grams. So next class, we'll go from grams to grams. So I hope you like this foldable. It will help you set up all the math problems. Okay.